बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इय्याका नअबुदु व इय्याका नस्तईन। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन व बारिक व सल्लि अलैहि। Dear colleagues, I already have sent the differentiation between how we will differentiate between the indirect inguinal hernia and direct inguinal hernia. So the basic differentiating criteria is to locate the inferior epigastric artery. So these are the iliac vessels or femoral vessels. I am at the region of right inguinal region, and this is the inferior epigastric artery. I put the color so you can see this is the inferior epigastric artery. So the herniation that is lateral to the inferior epigastric artery is the indirect inguinal hernia, and if the herniation is medial to the inferior epigastric artery and through the Hazel-Badge triangle, it is direct inguinal hernia. So this is the point. This is the inferior epigastric artery vessels, and this is the point. This is the point from where the indirect inguinal hernia can occur, lateral to the inferior epigastric artery at this region, and this is the point which is the Hazel-Badge triangle. If hernia occurs at this region, then this is the direct inguinal hernia. So first we should locate the inferior epigastric artery, follow this one, reaching the inguinal region, then ask the patient for Valsalva maneuver. Zor the dead focusing. Here you can see that there is no herniation of the contents through this region. This becomes dilated due to the Valsalva maneuver, femoral vein, but no herniation of the contents has been recognized. छोड़ दो सही, so ढीला करो, ढीला कर दो पेट, वाला फुकाओ. Here you can see there is no herniation. ढीला कर दो, ढीला कर दो. अब no move, ढीला कर दो. अब now move to the medial to the epigastric artery. So this is the region. जोर लो सही, फुकाओ डेट को. Here you can see the herniated contents has been protruded through the Hazel-Badge triangle. This is the medial to the inferior epigastric artery. Dilla karo. No, it is. So when we do the Valsalva maneuver, the contents herniate through this weak point of the abdomen. Zor lo se. Look at this. Here, this is the region through which and displacing the vessel medially. So this is the herniation through the Hazel-Badge triangle. So this is direct inguinal hernia. छोड़ दो. Now come back. These return back into the abdominal. So this is the reducible direct inguinal hernia. Again, जोर दा करो सही. डेड फुकाओ, डेड फुकाओ. These are the contents which have been herniated. So these are through the abdominal region, not through the deep inguinal ring at the region of the lateral to the inferior epigastric artery. This is the lateral to the epigastric artery where the deep inguinal ring is present, and if hernia, indirect hernia occurs, it herniates through this deep inguinal ring and then moves medially through the inguinal canal, then into the superficial inguinal ring, and then goes into the scrotum. This is the normal way of processus vaginalis. But this is the region where the Hazelbach triangle is present. If the hernia protrude this region, from this region, then this is the direct inguinal hernia, which doesn't go to the hernial sac. This is the defect directly from the abdominal wall at the region of the Hazelbach triangle, medial to the inferior epigastric artery and vessels, and superior to the inguinal ligament. So this is the region, and this was the interesting case, तो मैंने कहा आपको जो है ना शेयर कर दो. Thank you very much.